Hello everyone. In previous video I show you how you can program incremental encoder which built in a DC motor. In this short video I will show you how you program another encoder just by modify one line in our previous code. This is our encoder which I will use. You can see here the number of my encoder. So if I go to datasheet and read about the output, here you can see this output is of type NPN, output collector output. So which means you have to pull up the output to get the right value. And here you see the hints. This type can be output with internal pull-up resistor, which we have to modify in our software to read this encoder. So if we go to the software, here we can see in previous video we have this line which we don't use pull-up or down resistor. But now for this encoder we have to use pull-up resistor, so I activate the pull-up resistor in this line. And that's all what we need. Here I will flash my software to test the encoder here and will open STM Studio to read the value. Here you can see if I rotate the encoder, the value increase and decrease depends on the direction. Actually, one thing what I would like to say here, you can see the connection to connection of my encoder. Here we have positive and negative for our power supply. I supply my encoder with 5 volt, which I get it from my discovery board, and the pins which we use in last project also pin 6 and 7. That's actually all what you need to do to read the information from the encoder.